Chris Hearn, founder of Fountainhead Commercial Capital.
How are you?
I'm doing fine, but I've known you for 20 years as Mr. 504.
Right.
What you're going to tell me is, what are you doing?
We just bought one of the 14 non-bank lender licenses.
Congratulations. So you've gone to the other side. All right. I got a ton of questions.
Right.
Strategic plan. How's this fit in with Fountainhead Commercial Capital?
It fits in perfectly for us, frankly. It fills a hole that we've never had. We see 7A transactions all the time. And frankly, most of the time we just pass on them. We've stayed focused, laser focused for many, many years. But I think we can help a lot more small business owners, and that's why I went through this process over the last 18 months.
Well, we hear the term hedge fund. Mm-hmm. What can you tell us of how you are capitalized and how that is going to impact Main Street?
One of my equity partners is I guess technically a hedge fund,
right.
Although people don't like to think of themselves like that anymore. Right. I think they call themselves alternative asset managers. But I mean it's the natural evolution of our business. So they're very supportive. It's a way for Wall Street type money to make its way to Main Street businesses, much like the 504 program does. But in our case, we think we have a great distribution channel to do 7As. We expect we're approved nationally, so we will be making loans nationally. We're ready to go. We've already got a pipeline, and it's very exciting. I haven't made a 7A loan in I think 17 or 18 years. So.
Let's don't tell SBA that.
That's too late.
But you have a staff. Though.
Yeah, right. Yeah, but no, we're staffing up, and it's very exciting. And I think we'll be the only SBLC in the Southeast, which is of course where I would like to do a disproportionate amount of deals if we can. Southeast is growing economically, especially Florida, where I'm based. But we're excited. We see these deals all over the country all the time, and now we can do something with them.
Business model. Are you going to go out and do the traditional business development officer route, or are you going to go do something a little bit different?
I think I've been known to be a little unconventional over the years, so I think people could expect that we'll do something slightly different. Much like our go-to-market strategy is today, we get calls and emails from folks all over the place. We deal a lot with intermediaries of all types, not just brokers, of course. We also get a lot of business directly from small business owners who have seen a video like this or read a quote in a national media by me or something. So we're going to continue to do that. You'll probably see us do what I would call more of a wholesale BDO model in time. Yeah. But initially, we have enough demand for our services. We're to hit the ground running. Got
to ask the question, how difficult was the process? And you don't have to answer that.
It was
difficult.
Let's just say I am grateful there's a lot of barriers to entry to get to this point.
Fair enough.
Let's put it that way.
Fair enough.
Yeah.
That's awesome. Chris, congratulations.
Thank you.
Awesome news.
Appreciate it.
And we'll have you back and tell us more of how you're progressing.
All right. Thanks, Bob.
Thanks.